In this video I'm going to demonstrate the incredible router and how I've used a particular router to make some modifications to this guitar. Now the guitar is actually my acoustic guitar easy build project that's aimed at beginners at woodwork to build using low-cost materials and tools. Wow, check it out from the links below. Now you can see that I've combined steel strung and nylon strung machine heads in this demo guitar, but for my own playing I'm using nylon strings. So this short video will show you how I used a small cordless router to modify the recesses to accommodate the new machine heads for the top 3 nylon strings. I'm using my novel fast plunge routing method, which isn't so much fast here as highly accurate, to carefully chop away the stock down to the preset depth. Now this really is a fantastic little router, as I've demonstrated in other videos, and you can see how there isn't much room for me to get the cutter in to do the work. I had already routed out the 3 holes to take the larger machine head barrels. Now incidentally, my guitar includes the innovative high vibe system with built-in effects, looper and backing track memory that I can use for street performing. You can see I've used just 3 different materials for the guitar. A standard section of pine for the laminated neck, 2mm thick model making birch plywood for the sides and back, and Balkan spruce for the top. Check out below the links to this project and of course my new book, Guitar Making Art. All this made possible by the incredible router. Well, thanks for watching and please do the necessaries. My name is Jeremy Broun.